In this review, we're diving into InShot, a popular mobile video editor that claims to make video editing a breeze. But does it really live up to the hype? Let's see if it's worth your time and money. InShot is a mobile video editing app designed for both beginners and those who need quick edits on the go. Right off the bat, the user interface feels intuitive with a clean layout that makes it easy to navigate. You can trim, cut, and merge clips smoothly, and there are plenty of filters and effects to spice up your videos. One standout feature is its ability to add music and sound effects, which is perfect for creating engaging social media content. Plus, it supports various aspect ratios, making it ideal for everything from Instagram stories to YouTube videos. However, while it's user-friendly, some advanced features might feel a little basic for seasoned editors. There's also limited export quality options unless you opt for the paid version. So while it's great for casual users, serious content creators might find it lacking in depth. On the plus side, InShot is incredibly easy to use, making it perfect for quick edits. The variety of built-in music and sound options is a significant advantage, and the app is free to download, which is always a bonus, but there are some downsides. The free version has ads, which can be distracting, and the lack of advanced editing features might frustrate more experienced users. Additionally, if you want to export in higher quality, you'll need to pay for the premium version, which could be a turn-off for some. Overall, casual users will likely appreciate its simplicity, while those seeking more robust editing tools might want to explore alternatives. In conclusion, InShot is a solid choice for anyone looking to edit videos quickly and easily on their mobile devices. If you're a casual user or just getting started, it's worth a try. However, if you're a more serious video editor, you might want to look elsewhere for more advanced